What's up? It's your boy here, Joshua C from TechNave. So for the past weeks, I've been unboxing the Realme 6 series, and today I'm going to talk about the big brother, which is the Realme 6 Pro. So what's so pro about it? Let's check it out. Let's head straight to the design of the phone. Although the Realme 6 Pro is built on a plastic body, but it feels quite premium, especially with the flashy neon zigzag reflective effect that changes colors from different angles. And if you look closer to it, it looks like the lightning bolt from Pikachu to me. Editor, let's show it to them.
Pikachu!
Isn't it the same? Just that it doesn't come with a yellow lightning color, but a lightning red and lightning blue. Coming back to the front, it has a 6.6-inch 2400 by 1080p Full HD Plus Gorilla Glass 5 IPS LCD 90Hz Ultra Smooth display. It's a great display to enjoy your videos on it with great color accuracy and up to 430 nits of screen brightness. The only thing may bother you while streaming on your videos will be the white pill-shaped dual selfie camera on the corner of the screen. It has the side-mounted fingerprint sensor together with the power button, volume rocker, 3.5mm audio jack, USB-C port, and the Dolby Atmos high-res speaker. The sound quality does sound richer than the Realme 6, so listen to it for yourself. The Realme 6 Pro runs on Realme UI based on Android 10 that comes with the Snapdragon 720G coupled with an 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. So gaming on this phone is pretty smooth with the 90Hz refresh rate, and the thermal throttling is not an issue right here because it feels much cooler than the Realme 6. So if you're a mobile gamer, this might be your favorite phone as it comes with a 4300mAh battery supported by the 30W flash charge. You can easily charge up your phone from 0 to 100% in just 60 minutes. In terms of cameras, it sports a 64MP quad camera setup comprising a 64MP f1.8 main camera, 8MP ultra-wide camera, 2MP macro lens, and a 12MP 2x telephoto lens, which you hardly get on a Realme's mid-range phone. The picture quality is nice and contrasty, but the main feature I want to stress about will be the tripod mode on the night mode 3.0. Once you turn it on, it really does allow you to capture a pretty clear night shot, but be sure to use a tripod because you need to be super steady while it's capturing the pictures. As for the dual selfie camera, you will now have the option to capture two different dynamic selfies with the 16MP main selfie camera and the secondary 8MP 105 degrees wide angle lens, which I felt it's pretty cool. So for the videos, you can capture up to 4K 30 frames per second on the rear and also 1080p EIS selfie videos. With the price of 1,399 ringgit, it is a pretty outstanding mid-range smartphone to me, but the one dislike would be the pill-shaped cutout on the display, which I've mentioned earlier, because it's really a huge cutout that would distract you while watching video. But I guess that's not a big deal for most of you once you get used to it. So that's all for today. Do remember to like and smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to catch our latest gadget reviews. I'm Joshua C. See you next time.